Hi there, welcome to Codes Art. This is a video series on dependency injection. In next few videos, I'm gonna explain these dependency injection topics. So, which will include in part one, that is today, I'll discuss DI basics, what is dependency injection means, what is loose couple and tight couple. In part two, I'm gonna explain what is controller and action method injection, basically the way of injection. In part 3, I am going to explain dependency injection services lifetime, which is provided by the .NET framework. So, in part 4, we will going to understand DI multiple service injection. Means if we want to inject more than one service at a time for the same type, then how we can do that. In part 5, I'm going to explain you based on certain condition we can inject only one, or for the same type if there are 4 to 5 objects, and based on some condition if you want to inject only one object, then how we can do that we're gonna see in part 5 of the video. Now here in this video we can understand what is dependency injection, why it's needed, what is loose and tight coupled. So what is coupled first? So when a class is dependent on another class, then we can call it coupled. So there are two types of coupling. The one is loose couple and tight couple. So first we'll understand what is tight couple. So tight couple is nothing but a traditional method of creating an object. Suppose there is a class A and we need an object of class B. So what we can do, we can just create the object of class B inside class A with a new keyword. So that is called a tight couple. So the problem here in tight couple is that whenever there would be more than one class or multiple class, 30 to 40 classes, and if we want to change the class B to class C, or if we want to change just the name, so in that scenario we have to make changes in all 40-50 classes, because we have implemented the object of class B with the new keyword. Now we're gonna remove the class B and create the object of class C in that class. So that is a tight couple. So here it's not flexible, it is difficult to maintain. So instead of that, loose couple has much more preference over tight couple. It has much more advantage. How we can implement this? So suppose there is a class A and class B. In class A needs the object of class B. So what we will do in class A, it will accept the type of I class object, and I class object is implemented by class B. So what will happen? We will not create the object of class B inside class A. Instead, we will rely on DI container. So we will ask the DI container to provide the object of class B whenever it's needed. So here we can say it's a loosely coupled. Tomorrow if we gonna change that, suppose class B is getting changed to class C, or if we are renaming the class C, we will just go to the DI container and there we will rename or just change the class B object to class C, which will also implement the I class. So in class A we do not have to make any changes, just at one place we will make the change, and it will reflect in all the classes. Wherever the class B object has been used, it will be replaced by the class C object. This is the DI container. What it will do, it will create and pass the class B object when asked. Okay, so yeah, so this is the major difference between the loose and tight couple, and this is only the inversion of control. Previously in the tight couple, if you will see here, we are creating the object inside the class A, so all the controls are there in class A. But here in loose couple, if we will see, instead of creating the object in class A, we are getting it from the DI container. So now the control has been moved from the class A to the DI container. This is only called the inversion of control. So this is the foundation of the dependency injection. Now we can understand DI better. It's a design pattern that helps you to develop loosely coupled code by implementing IOC, that is inversion of control. It allows the creation of dependent object outside the class and provide those objects to the class when asked. So we won't create the dependent class object inside the class. Instead, we will inject it with the help of DI framework. I hope this video gives you a basic concept on DI. In the next video, we will see dependency injection methods, that is the action method and the constructor injection methods. So stay tuned. Let me know in comment section if any clarification, doubt or concern. See you in next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.